Hello everyone, this is the hottest spot of the day. We are about to witness unexpected collisions and heart-pounding moments that will make your pulse race. Each crash is a valuable lesson about maintaining a safe distance, something anyone could overlook until it's too late. Stay tuned, as the footage in this video is not only dramatic, but also serves as a powerful warning for everyone on the road. Let's get started. It's hard to understand what the driver was thinking, crashing straight into the median, as if it were the final destination. Maybe his GPS was giving him the wrong direction, or he simply forgot how to steer the wheel. The two cars collided head-on in the darkness, as if they were performing a scene from an action movie. Unbelievable. The black car and the white car collided as if the street were their personal stage, then launched into the air like a circus act. It's absolutely ridiculous that I, someone who follows traffic laws, have to suffer the consequences of a driver who has no idea how to handle a car. Oh, it seems the girl wants to say something to the driver. Unbelievable. The girl just wanted to talk to the driver, totally confused. And the result? She lost her temper to the point of punching and smashing the car's mirror. Perhaps the mirror wasn't the only thing shattered in this story. It's truly baffling. The distance was more than enough for the driver behind to brake easily. But no, he seemed preoccupied with everything except driving. The result? A straight crash into the car ahead. It's ridiculous. The white car ran the red light as if it were in a race. The result? An accident that could have easily been avoided. What a tragic sight. The crashed car is being towed away as if it has no value left. It seems that not only the car, but also the driver's irresponsibility has caused significant damage. So frustrating to follow behind a huge truck. The truck's cargo just has to touch a tree, and suddenly snow falls down, blocking my entire view. Just a little focus, he managed to brake in time to avoid the collision. It's hard to believe. The road is so wide, yet the yellow car still manages to crash. After the collision, instead of worrying about the situation or calling for help, the two men calmly got out of the car and started chatting. Driving skills are just amazing. It's incredible how someone can have such talent for making reckless decisions on the road. The red light was clearly on, yet someone decided to ignore it and zoom through as if the road belonged to them. And the result? Two cars collided right in front of us. The red car didn't bother to pay attention to the road, causing a collision that not only affected itself, but also disrupted the lives of so many others. The traffic light doesn't have a red light, and the result is an unavoidable accident. It seems that the carelessness in designing the traffic light system is putting everyone in danger. This car definitely lost control, and unable to manage the situation, it slammed straight into the back of the truck. The black car had yielded to him, and he in turn yielded to other cars, yet the vehicle behind failed to maintain a safe distance and crashed straight into the back of the black car.
Ой, блядь.
He tried to cut in front, but all he achieved was a pointless effort.
Так что аккуратнее там.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found this video interesting and helpful, don't hesitate to like, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new and exciting videos from us. Be sure to come back and join us as we continue to explore memorable moments on this journey. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.